To understand Excel Backstage View, I have opened one workbook in which there is one sheet called as Sales Employee Master. Now we will click on File tab to go to Backstage View of this workbook. In Backstage View, on left hand side, you will see the navigation pane which will provide you more tabs on which you can click to work in Backstage View. Right now I am at Info tab and you can do many things in this tab related to this workbook. For example, you can protect this workbook in different ways. You can check the workbook for issues if any. You can recover the workbook history if you wish to recover so. On the right hand side, it will show properties of workbook like its file size. If you wish to give title to your workbook, you can do so. For example, let's type Sales Employee. It's better to have single word. We can also mention category such as say Master. And also we can add tag as Employee. So in this way we can add few things to properties of this workbook. Also, you can see below information like when this file got modified last, when this file got created, when this file got last printed, etc. In next section, you will able to see who is the author of this file. You can even expand by clicking on Show More Properties. This will show us many more details related about this file if you wish to have information. Like info, in left panel you have another tab called as Save a Copy. Here you can save the file if you have made any changes to file, or even you can make another copy of this file by giving some new name and also choosing some different location if you wish so. There is also tab called Print in left panel which provide you command to facilitate printing of your document. There are many commands available for printing which we will be learning in subsequent lectures. Also we can share this workbook which will take us back to workbook screen, and on the right hand side at this location you can input email address of the person with whom you want to share your file. Also there are options at bottom of same area to share your file either as an attachment in email or you can send link in email. Again we will click on File tab to come back in Backstage View. Using Export tab, you can convert this file as PDF file or XPS type file. Publish tab is used when you want to publish your file to Power BI tool. Power BI tool is effective reporting tool in Excel by which you can create many reports based on data in your Excel file. Below that there is a Close tab which will close current workbook but it will not close Excel program. Also there is tab called Accounts below which will display more information like what is the Office subscription through which this file is created, what is the background of Office, what is its theme, on whose name this license exists, Office update information, whether you need it to be automatic or not, information about Excel version and its build, and information on what's new recently installed updates. This all information is available in Accounts tab. Also there is Feedback tab through which you can send feedback to Microsoft products such as send a smile, send a fawn, or even send your suggestions. And last tab is Options which opens up altogether a new dialog box. This dialog box itself is having many tabs in its left panel. These tabs are useful to set or configure your Excel programs in many ways. We will be discussing on these options in our subsequent programs. So in this way, Backstage View helps you to process your Excel creation in many ways. In next lecture, we will learn about shortcut menu.